particular form. So if I just wanted to reset that, sometimes what exactly happens is there may be a situation where you need to reset the values in that particular form. So how do you reset that particular value in the form? We will just see that particular thing. And so now I'll just create one more button, which is a reset button. And for this, what I'll do is I'll just take this as a link. So I'm just giving it as a reset form, and then I just okay, let me not give anything here. I'll just give a click event. So here I will just tell this form, and I am just adding this. So now we need to declare this particular method.
Red form, ma'am. Red.
Okay, so now in this particular method, now I need to add the method which will help to reset. So that I'll just write form value dot reset. So there is a method which is called as reset method. So this particular reset method will help me to do this particular task. Okay, so I'll just use a reset method. You can just see that the reset method will help. There is one more way we can just do it. Let us just do this. I'll explain you that also. So now here I have some data. Okay, now I'm just click on this. I'll remove this particular data. Okay, let me have that. So now I'll just click on this form. You can see that the data is being replaced. So I'll just click on this form. You can see that it is a reset. One is you can just use a reset method. Okay, this is one way. The other way is you have one more is just called as form value dot reset form. So you can just use even the reset form also. Both will do the same task. So you can have both. One, you can just use it. Okay, so you can either use reset or you can just use reset form. So in this way, you can just reset the data.